Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the next section, that is aptitude part, that is the fifth question which was asked in Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So first we shall see the question. So the question is like this: the two taps A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 7 hours respectively. How many hours after opening tap A should tap B be opened so that the tank gets filled? 2 hours after opening tap B. So these are the options which is given. It can be 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hours and 11/7 hours. So first we shall see the given. So you can see they have given that the two taps A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 7 hours. So first we need to write, that is tap A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 7 hours. So that is, we can write that A can fill a tank in A can fill a tank in 1/7. So A can fill a tank in 1/5 hours. Similarly, B can fill a tank one by 7 hours. So we shall see together. So both A and B can fill a tank in, so which is given as 1/5 plus 1/7. So we need to find the LCM of 5 and 7. So as we know that 5 and 7, these are odd numbers, so the LCM will be 35 itself. So we shall write it as, so 35 is the LCM, so into 7 into 5. So 7 plus 5, you can see it is 12 divided by 35. So we have obtained 12 divided by 35. So which means that A can fill 7 liters and B can fill 5 liters. So A can fill 7 liters and you can say B can fill 5 liters. So and both can fill 12 liters of water. So you can say both A and B can fill 12 liters. So this is for 1 hour. So 1 hour you can say both the tank A and B both A and B can fill it in 1 hour. They can fill 12 liters. And you need to see for 2 hours, because the question is you need to see after 2 hours. So they have asked so that the tank gets filled 2 hours after. So you need to see for 2 hours how much liter of water can be filled. So for 2 hours it takes 12 into 2, which means 24 liters. So total it is 35. So out of which 24 liters of water is filled. So you need to find the remaining. So how to find the remaining? So remaining is nothing but, so remaining you can see 35 minus 24. So 35 minus 24 is nothing but 11. So you can see the remaining is 11. So 11 is now left. And you need to see, so we know that A fills 7 units, that is 7 liters in 1 hour, and you can fill the 11 liters which requires. So A can fill the 7 units or liters in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, So in 1 hour it can fill 7 units. but you need to see what is the remaining is 11. So therefore, so you can say that 11 liters. So 11 liters can be filled in 11 divided by 7 hour. So this is of A. So this is of A. So A takes 11 divided by 7 hours. So A takes 11 divided by 7 hours, and they are asked when will the tap B be opened. So you can see that so A takes 11 by 7 hours to fill the tank. So B will be opened after 11 by 7 hours. So you can say that so B can fill after 11 divided by 7 hours. So therefore you can see they have asked when will the tap B be opened. So you can say after 11 divided by 7 hours the tap B will be opened. So therefore the answer for this example is 11 divided by 7 hours. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.